we decided to head on down to Choctaw Casino to spend part of our New Year's Eve there. But this video does not focus so much on the slots and gaming, although take a look at some of my fun wins. Remember, I'm a strictly low roller. I'm learning how to do this. But take a look at the casino. For it to be a New Year's Eve, it was not very crowded. Now this is Saturday night, so this is actually December 30th, but we stayed over until the 31st, but it wasn't really bad at all. We decided to go over to the separate tower that has the dining option that we're going to discuss today, and I had to take a great look at the sunset. I thought this was beautiful. But we're headed in and we're going to go to the buffet. Take a look at what they have to offer at the buffet. It's quite impressive.
It's gonna have you sign.
Okay. Like, where the plates go? Ah.
Some of them good for the travelers, I think.
That looks delicious. Cooking that food up in the background there. And this looks like the Asian section. Egg drop soup, wonton soup, fried rice, green beans, and lo mein are all available right here. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Oh, wow. Looks like you can get pho. Is this pho here? So you just add, like, how, I don't understand. How is it?
It's just soup.
And is it different meats to it?
No, we just, it has beef, brisket,
Okay.
meatball, and noodles.
I'm gonna have to come back for that, because yes, that sounds delicious.
Yes, it is.
Thank you, thank you. There is so much, I don't know where to begin. Oh my, there looks like this.
Now the plates, everybody gives you their own plate. You don't need a plate. Wherever you go, they'll give you one.
Okay,
Like me, I'll give you a plate. And then the next station, they'll give you a plate.
well thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you. Look at these crab legs. That looks amazing.
Just one. It's
Wow. Rolls, gumbo, etouffee, rice, glazed carrots, mashed potatoes, brown gravy, white gravy, fried catfish, fried chicken and shrimp. Let's take a closer look.
Fine, yeah, I forgot to say.
Or four, I don't care.
It'll work, yeah, it'll work. Sorry.
Short six, I'll come back.
Now come back, that's right.
Wow. Wow. Here, sausage, ham, prime rib. Wow, I'll be back for that. That looks delicious. I am after the prime rib. Hi, can I get prime rib? Oh, that looks... Wow. Thank you. Prime rib acquired. And now I'm headed back for the pho because that sounded so good. Yum. That looks good. Hi.
How are you?
I'm wonderful. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
It's been a great day.
That's good.
This looks wonderful. Yum.
Enjoy.
Wonderful. Thank
You're
you.
very welcome.
Look at that. That looks delicious and it smells delicious. My oh my, that smells good. Pot stickers, egg rolls, fried rice, green beans, crab legs, that looks yummy, prime rib, and pho. And of course I got Dr. Pepper. This is just to get me started. That prime rib is really delicious. That is really good. I already took my first bite of the pot stickers. Very flavorful, very tender. This is really good. Woo. They had a massive dessert section. I probably stood there for at least 2 to 3 minutes to decide what I wanted. So I picked up a pecan pie that looked really good. And then I also picked up this chocolate cake. And both of them were wonderful. And now we've come to the Grand Bakery. Let's take a look. Please be advised that food in this area may contain these ingredients in case that's not something that you want to have. They have all kinds of sweets and goodies. I am so full. I just got finished eating everything there at the buffet, everything that I wanted. I did not stop. Those crab legs were delicious. The dessert was good too. But I just thought this looks really good. Fraser cake, coconut cream pie, coconut macaroons, all kinds of cookies. I don't know if you can see it. There's a glare from the light. But chocolate chip cookies, sugar cookies, chocolate covered strawberries. I'm not sure if you can really see that, but they're not open right now, but looks yummy. And now we've come up to the bamboo noodle bar. Bamboo noodle bar. And it's
This is our second
Christmas
call
time.
for Brenda.
Let's check out
902. Once again, Brenda.
Bamboo noodle bar.
902. You're gonna have 5 minutes to make yourself known at any Choctaw Rewards Club to claim your prize.
And I'm not actually going to go in, but there is a line. But it looks really cool, right? Has a great little ambiance, great little style over here. The bamboo noodle bar. Cool. I like the coins and I like the jewels. it was a fun trip back up to Choctaw Casino. We just stayed there for one quick overnight, part of New Year's Eve, and just to see, get into a little fun and have a wonderful dinner. Thanks for stopping by on this quick video to Choctaw Casino. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for stopping by, everyone. Have a wonderful, happy New Year. We will see you in 2024 when we will catch you at the next adventure.